Go.
Well, today we're going to have a short YouTube video, so I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, let's go.
Who's doing all the stunts?
Huh?
Who's doing all the stunts?
Blue Thunder.
Blue Thunder.
You guys might have this guy as a small version, but this guy's a big one, right?
Right.
Well, if you didn't know, if you watch my videos, you don't know who I am. I'm Elliot, and he's my papa.
That's me.
So, if you didn't watch your first video, go and watch that. Check that. If you watched our second video, if it loaded us up, just leave a comment below and say, it's loaded up, okay? Guys, so who do you want to go next? Let's have Mohawk Warrior.
Alright.
Mohawk Warrior, that's his name.
Okay.
Mohawk Warrior does lots of cool stunts in Monster Jam video. In Monster Jam. So you must have guys seen him. But this is a monster truck.
Is he a good car crusher?
Yes, he is.
Show
I'll
me.
show you guys. Okay, guys, put the camera up close, okay? Okay, zooming in, okay? Guys, if you're watching, put your face up to the camera real close so you guys could see. Yeah. He's a really good car crusher. So if you knew, he did this. That's what happened.
Who's next?
Next is Scooby-Doo. You might have seen this. You might have this guy. He's really cool. You might see him sometimes in like the Monster Jam videos. So if you went to Monster Jam and see him, put a thumbs up. If you didn't, go check those videos out. And then leave a thumbs up if you have. So, are you ready to see all the stunts? Let's see. Next up is Crustacean. You might see him sometimes in Monster Jam videos. Well, if you have, put a big fat thumbs up. If you haven't, go check them out. If you did, check him out in first person. There. So if you've seen him, he's really cool. He always goes to Monster Jam. He's always at Monster Jam sometimes, and his name's Crustacean from Monster Jam. So let's get started, right? And let's see him crush this car. Look what he did. He's always crushing cars. He's really good. This is what the car looked like. This is what the car looked like. This is what it looks like now. Dang. Next up is Zombie. He's a friend with Team Hot Wheels. Zombie, if you've seen all these holes, look at them. These are a lot of holes. I like the monster truck. I got him with Dragon. I got him with this guy. So I got them in a versus pack. They're like this. they were facing up. When I got them, they were beat up sometimes, and they're really cool. If you have this one, leave a thumbs up, right? And pop up, you better start speaking, okay? You better start speaking, okay? So I seen him at Monster Jam. He's really cool, right?
Yeah.
So when he like pops wheelies, I see his hair, and once his top roof fell off.
That was cool.
Yeah, and if you see this, that's his brain. That's Zombie's brain. You see it?
Mm-hmm.
That's a really ugly brain.
Gory.
And this guy is son of the digger. If you've seen him at Monster Jam, leave a thumbs up. And if you see these monster trucks, look at these monster trucks. See them?
Yep.
They're really cool. If you can't see them, that's okay. But they're really cool. He's really cool. I've seen him sometimes.
All right, we're gonna wrap it up.
Okay. See you later.